Hello, today we will look how to add timer instructions in TIA portal environment. Now I have opened TIA portal version 17 software and I will demonstrate you how to use the timer instructions. And the most commonly used timer instructions are timer on delay and off delay instruction, which is used in a lot of industrial automation applications. So I will add a new network here and name it timers. So in the right side, by clicking on the instructions tab, I have a list of all the available instructions. So I will go to the timer operations, and from here I will select this timer on and drag it on my network. So it is asking me to create a data block for it, so I click OK. So a timer instruction has been added. So next I will use a normally open contact here to energize this timer, and I name it timer on. Define the tag, click on define, the tag is defined, and here I will input the time for my timer, for how much time I want this timer to run. So I will simply write here T hash 5s. This means that I want this timer to run for the 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds have passed, I want to do something on the output side. So I will take this output instruction, and for example I name it motor on and define the tag here also. Okay, so now we have added our timer on instruction. So now we go to the simulation mode to check how our logic is running. So I start the simulation. Okay, so now we will load our program. And we click on this run button. So now our PLC is in run mode. And now we will go into the monitoring mode to check how our program is working. Now we are in monitoring mode, so I turn on this timer on grid. I turned it on, and after 5 seconds this output will be on. As you can see, after 5 seconds this output is on. So now if I turn off this bit, our timer is reset to 0 and our output is off. Similarly, we can test it again. So now we look how timer off delay works. So I drag timer off delay command from the instructions tab, and similarly I set the energize bit and define its time for 5 seconds. T hash 5s, it means its preset time is 5 seconds. And on the output side we want to activate any function. For example, this is pump underscore 2. Okay, now I download this program into the simulator. So our program is now successfully downloaded. So now we see how our program works for timer off delay. So I energize this bit, I modify it to 1. So you can see as soon as I turned on this bit, the output is activated, but the timer is not counting. Like previously, as we turned on our bit, it was counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it activated the output. But in this case, in timer off delay, as soon as we turned on the input, our output is on. And now if I turn off the input, you see what will happen. As soon as I turned off the input, the timer starts counting, and after 5 seconds our output is off. So it is clear that timer off delay works in a sense that if we activate the input, the output is activated instantly and our timer is also reset to 0. But if I turn off this input, this pump will remain on for the 5 seconds. So I turn it off again to test again. After 5 seconds this pump too will be off. So this is how the timer on and timer off delay works. I hope you have learned clearly about these both instructions, which has very good applications in industrial automation and process automation machinery. Thanks for watching.